Hello everyone. After working on present indefinite tense, today we are going to work on past indefinite tense. So as far as the main thing about past indefinite tense is concerned, we have to keep in mind second form of verb. As we worked in the present indefinite tense, we mainly work on first form and S form, but in this past indefinite tense, we have to focus on second form of verb. So first of all, we go with the sentence structure. It is a subject plus verb plus object, which is used in all the tenses. So as far as this past indefinite tense is concerned, as I have already mentioned, we have to focus on second form of verb. So the formula would be subject plus second form of verb plus object. So if we go with the example, for example, she wrote a letter to me yesterday. So the thing, the activity which happened yesterday, for those kinds of activities we use past indefinite tense. So either the work has done just a second before, or the work got done so many years before. So at that time we use past indefinite tense with the second form of verb. So and keep in mind, we have to mention a time in it. So if we are going to mention a time, then the message which we want to convey gets clearer. So she wrote a letter to me yesterday. She is a subject, wrote is a second form of verb, and after that it is a object. Okay, so if we go with the next example, hmm, they invited me last month for an interview. They invited me last month means this activity happened last month. So that's why we are going to use past indefinite tense. There is a subject over here. Invited is a second form of verb, and after that it is a object. So in this way we make affirmative sentences. After working upon affirmative sentences of past indefinite tense, now we are going to work upon negative sentences of past indefinite tense. So first of all, we go with the structure. It is a subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Yes, we are going to use first form of verb over here because did is used over here as a second form of do. In a single sentence, we just use one time second form of verb. After that, we go with the base form. So if we go with the example, it is a he did not run fast in last race. So the activities is about last time. So he is a subject, did not written, first form of verb is run, and after that it is a object. In such way we make the negative sentences in past indefinite tense. Okay, if you go with the second example, it could be they did not boil water. They did not boil water. So it is about past. If you want to mention a time, then it could be they did not boil water yesterday, last week. So in any way you can go with it. So there is a subject, did not is written over here, did is used as a helping verb, and after that first form of verb is boil. So in this way we make the negative sentence. So now we are going to work on interrogative sentences of past indefinite tense. Yes, after working on affirmative and negative sentences, now we are going to work on interrogative sentences. So first of all, we go with the structure. It is a did plus subject plus first form of verb plus subject. Yes, like negative sentences, we are going to use first form over here because we are going to use did as a second form of do over here as a helping verb. So if we go with the example, for example, did she meet with you in last meeting? Did she meet with you in last meeting? Did is used as a helping verb, and after that it is a subject, then first form of verb, then it is a object. So if we go with the next example, then it could be, did you cut a big cake on your last birthday? Did you cut a big cake on your last birthday? So it is about a past, so that's why we use past indefinite tense. So did is a helping verb, after that it is subject, then verb, then object. So in this way we frame the question. Last we are going to work on WH questions of past indefinite tense. Yes, so as far as WH questions are concerned, you know very well what, where, why, who, so such kinds of words we are going to use in these types of questions. So first of all we go with the sentence structure. It is a WH plus did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. First form of verb because did is used as a second form of do. So what did you eat today? What did you eat today? What is a WH? After that did as a helping verb, you as a subject, eat as a first form of verb, then it is a object. So in such way we make the question. Last one is, where did she invite you? Where did she invite you? Where is a WH word, after that did, after that subject, then first form of verb, then object. So in such way we make the WH question.